Excuse me. Sorry, can you keep quiet, please? Sorry, can I have your attention? Welcome to Retro Night at R&R. As you can see, we've run into a few problems at the moment, but we're working on it. In the meantime, your club stamp will get you a free drink at the bar, so enjoy.
Who's the naughty girl, then?
Did you cook this up with him? No, I'm You have just made a big mistake, you little freak. Do you hear me?
We've got the news for you. Better listen. Get ready or you're lonely girl. And leave those umbrellas at home. All right.
Ronnie. You all right?
I am stuffed. No, Ian, I've got something to say.
And me and all. Please? About earlier, I know what's going on. I haven't been giving you enough space, and I'm sorry.